Girls, turn your cameras on.
Yes, teacher.
Today we'll finish the worksheet that we already have started, and then we'll prepare the work page number 75. Why are there only 3 girls? Hmm? I hope that all the girls have uploaded the work.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Walaikum Assalam. How many of you are fasting today?
Teacher, me. Teacher,
Amna?
me. Teacher, I
Good.
fast.
Amna? Wow, good, very good. Amna and Aiza? Aiza, you are also?
Yes, teacher.
MashaAllah. Okay, I think we should start the lesson. We already have the short period, only 25 minutes, but there are only 5 girls. Girls, have you started preparing for your exams?
Yes, teacher.
What about the other girls? Yes, Tuba, have you started preparing for the exams? Banahil,
Yes, I have, teacher.
Yes.
Alina. Alina, turn your camera on. Alina. Alina, are you on the seat? I don't know whether she's on the seat or not. Hurry up, girls, turn your cameras on. So today is the last day, and then you will have the Eid holidays. Okay, let us start the lesson. We cannot wait any longer for the other girls. They should join in time. Okay, we already have started this worksheet, and we have done till question number 5. Today we'll do question number 6. Okay, I hope all of you are learning the glossary too. Don't forget to learn the glossary. And who will tell me the definition of dynasty? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yes, girls, anyone who knows the definition of dynasty?
Yeah, I know. Teacher, can I
Okay,
tell?
okay, Manahir Farhan, let us start with you.
A powerful group of people or family that maintains its position for a long period of time.
Okay, good. But I would suggest to please learn the glossary that is given in the book. That is comprehensive, means that it is short, and it is exactly the same definition which should be of dynasty. Anyone who knows the definition of dynasty, which is written in your textbook, the succession. Let me write for you. The succession of rulers from the same family, right? I told you that the dynasty means the series of ruler from the same family. Grandfather, then his son's ruler, then his son, then his son, his son. So this is called dynasty. Okay, anyone who knows the definition of email?
Teacher, can I tell?
Okay, Amna Asim.
System of sending messages by electronic means from one computer user to one or more computer user through a network.
Very good. A system of sending messages through electronic means from one computer. Hold on. From one computer user or more users that's it.
Teacher, through a network also.
Through electronic through okay, now the next one, these pictures are so easy and we already have done in the last worksheet too. So let us start doing it. What is the first picture, girls?
Computer.
Computer.
What is the second one?
Gandhara Art and Sculpture.
Ada, art of. And who influenced this art?
Greeks.
The one who introduced this art in the subcontinent, right? Okay, then so easy.
Radio.
Yes, the third one is the picture of the radio. And the last one is
Post office.
yes. And can you tell me that to whom this post office is the most important means of communication?
Ordinary person.
Yes, an ordinary person, right? Who might not have an access to the other means of communication, but he can stay in touch with the other people by writing a letter. Okay. Now, what is meant by culture? Sorry, C is missing here. You can write yourself when you get the printout of it if you want to get the printout. Okay. What is meant by culture?
The culture of a country is made up of its traditions, customs, foods, art, science,
Hold on. First, let me write this. The culture one by one, right? Okay, Aiza has told us that the culture of a country is made up of its tradition. What else? Yes, girls. What else?
Can I tell?
Customs.
Customs, religion, languages,
Okay,
science,
so one by one. Customs. What else?
religion, languages, science, foods,
Science. Foods. Languages. Good.
art,
Art. Okay.
including literature,
Including literature.
architecture,
Good. Architecture.
painting, music and dance, and handicrafts.
Music.
Dance and handicrafts. Painting,
And dance and
music, handicrafts.
painting. We miss painting. Painting and
Handicrafts.
crafts. Okay. Easy. The next one. What are the main means of communication? First, we will always write the complete answer, right? First, we'll start the answer with the main means of Communication. Okay, yes, one. What is the first one?
Computer.
Computer.
Post offices. Email.
One,
Radio, newspaper.
computer.
Telephone.
Hold on. Girls, hold on. Computer. And with computer, what you will write?
Laptop.
Top.
Teacher, and telephone.
First, let me write laptops.
Teacher, email. Teacher, email. Post office. Mobile phones. Vision. Teacher, mobile phone, iPad, television.
Okay. Hold on. Laptops. After laptops, the next one is
Mobile phone.
mobile phones.
Teacher, after mobile phones is television.
Television.
And then telephone.
Okay. Girls, all of you, why are only few girls telling? Aiza, Amna, Asim, and one or more. What about the other girls? Are you all sleeping? And yes, girls.
So, telephone. Telephone.
Television.
I mean
Yes.
television.
Yes.
Telephone.
Telephone we have written, Amna.
Email and post office.
Yes. Post office.
Radio.
Yes. Radio. Good. Post office.
Email.
Radio.
Email.
Good. Radio. Email. What else, girls? Think. What is left? Tablet. Even then, I think there is one which is missing. Yes, there is another one. Which we read, girls?
Mobile phone.
Mobile phone, no.
It's a newspaper.
Yes, good. It is newspapers. Okay, girls, now we have done this worksheet. I told you that this worksheet is in the content library. The answer key is in the content library. Whereas if you want to get the printout of the worksheet to get yourself prepare for the exams, you can get the printout of it. I have already distributed this worksheet, right? It is in the journal section. Sorry, it is the section of social studies of your class, right? Okay, now, girls, please turn your cameras on. Now we are going to start revising the work pages. Open your work page number 75. All of you, open your work page number 75, girls. Hurry up. Aiza, Alina, Anusha. Why doesn't Anusha now turn her camera on? Before she was very regular in turning the cameras on. Ayla, Maham, Mahira, Minahil, Nawal, Sara, Shazeen, Umaybiha, please turn your cameras on. Tuba Haseeb.
Teacher, do you have which page in which book?
Your textbook page number 75. Exercises A, B, and C. We have done these 3 exercises now.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, start learning exercise A, B, and C. All of you. Mahira, had you uploaded the booklet work of the lessons which I told you in the last class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I'll check today. And Soha is in the meeting. Yes, Zoha. Zoha, I told you to upload your work of communication and transport. Have you uploaded?
Yes, teacher, I did yesterday evening.
Okay. And what about Alina? Alina, unmute your mic. Alina. Alina. And Zainab Tokir, what about you? Have you uploaded? Zainab. Zainab Tokir, are you on the seat? Zainab. I don't know whether she's on the seat or not. Okay, girls, once you have revised, please raise your hand so that I can get an idea and I can start you asking the questions.
Teacher, we only have to do page 75.
Yes, only 75. Exercise A, B, and C. Okay, Aiza is done. Hurry up, girls. Hurry up. We are left with only 4 minutes. Okay, let me start asking you the questions. Okay, girls, get ready. Okay, Ayla will tell us the first 3 names of the dynasties who ruled the subcontinent. And girls, see, you will have to write the names of the dynasties in order in which they ruled. And when I ask you dynasties means that the families of the rulers who ruled the subcontinent, right? So the first, yes, Ayla, who were the first 3 dynasties which ruled the subcontinent? Ayla. Ayla, are you on the seat? Ayla. Girls, I don't know whether you are on the seats or not. This is, I think, the third girl whom I'm calling and she's not replying. Okay, Manal Farhan has already. Shazeen, you tell me. Shazeen.
Yes, teacher.
Can you tell me the names of the first 3 dynasties who ruled the subcontinent? Who were the first one?
They were
Yes. Okay, Shazeen, learn. I will ask you again, okay? Hurry up, learn. Exercise A. Learn exercise A, B, and C. I'm going to ask you again. Yes, Tubasib, can you tell me who were the first 3? Girls, you didn't learn.
Teacher, can Minahil Farhan tell?
Okay. Nahil Farhan, you tell me.
The Persians, the Greeks, the Mauryans.
Yes, the first one were the Persians, then the Mauryans, and then then the Greeks, and then the third one were the Mauryans, right? These were the first 3 dynasties which ruled the subcontinent. Okay, Aiza will tell us that who was the fourth one.
Kushans.
Yes, the fourth one were the Kushans. After Mauryans, who were the next one? Kushans, right? And Sara, can you tell us who were the fifth one?
the Guptas.
Yes, the fifth one were the Guptas, right? And Maham, can you tell me the sixth one?
The Parthians.
Yes, the Parthians. And who were the seventh and eighth one? Yes, Biha, can you tell me who were the 7th and 8th dynasties who ruled the subcontinent?
Hans and Nandas.
Yes, teacher.
Biha, can you tell me who were the 7th and the 8th one dynasties?
Okay, teacher.
Yeah. Okay, Anusha, can you tell? Anusha, unmute your mic. Yes, can you tell?
Teacher.
Number 7 and number 8.
The Hans and the Nandas.
Yes. Now let us quickly revise. The first one were the Persians, then
Greeks.
Greeks, then
Mauryan.
then
Kushans.
then
Guptas.
then
Parthians.
then Huns, and
The
the last
Huns.
one was the
The
Nandas.
Nandas.
Okay, which was the? Can you tell me the name of the university which was set up by the Nandas?
Nalanda University.
It was the, yes, it was the Nalanda University. Okay, now can you tell me, is this true or false? Yes, Shazeen, this is so easy. The Indus Valley civilization flourished in about 2600 BCE. Is it true or false?
True.
True. Okay. Ashoka became a Buddhist after the Battle of Kalinga. Yes, Maham Rehan. Is this true?
Yes.
Okay. And the Aryans were a tribe from Africa. Can you tell me, is this true? Whom I haven't yet asked.
Can I tell?
Hold on. Zoha, can you tell me? The Aryans were a tribe from Africa.
Teacher, can I tell?
Zoha, are you on the seat?
Teacher, my mic was not unmuting. It's had some problem. No.
Yes. So what is it? Where were they from? Yes. So
Asia.
they were from the Central Asia.
Asia.
Okay. The culture of Gandhara and Texla was influenced by the Greeks. Is this true? Mahira, is this true? Let me ask the other girls too.
Can I tell?
Mahira, is this true? The culture of Gandhara and Texla was influenced by the Greeks. Mahira, unmute your mic.
Teacher, can I tell?
Mahira, are you on the seat? Okay, Zainab Takir, can you tell me?
Teacher, me.
Zainab.
Teacher, can I tell?
Zainab.
Teacher, can I tell?
Okay, Amna Asim, tell.
It's true.
It's true, right? Ashoka became, okay, we already have learned about it. Nalanda University was set up by the Kushans. Is this true? Sara Ali, is this true?
Teacher, me. Teacher, please, me.
Aiza, I asked you 3-4 times.
Teacher, last time.
Okay, okay, hold on, I will. Yes, Sara, hurry up.
Yes. The
Nalanda University was set up by the Kushans.
False.
Yes. Okay, Aiza, the people of Mohenjo-daro traded goods with England.
False.
False. Good. Okay, now the definitions. Archaeology. Who will tell the definition of archaeology? Farhan.
Okay, teacher. Archaeology is the study of the remains of ancient civilization.
Very good. Who knows the definition of inscription?
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes, Mohammed.
To write, engrave, or print as a lasting record.
Very good. Dynasty.
Teacher, can I tell?
Okay, Amna Asim, you already have told 3-4 times now. Anyone else who knows the definition of dynasty? I just wrote the definition of dynasty on the worksheet too.
Can I tell?
Farhan.
Anyone else, girls? Mahira, are you on the seat now? Mahira. Umme Abiha, can you tell me? Umme Abiha.
Teacher, can I tell Nawal?
Yes, Nawal.
The succession of rulers from the same family.
Okay, good. Okay, girls, best of luck for your exams and happy holidays, happy Eid, and stay blessed. And inshallah, we'll meet after exams. And I really enjoyed teaching your class. And keep me in your prayers. You are in my prayers, inshallah. And what else? That's it. Today is the last class for Eid holidays. Yes, yes, Sarah.
Today is my birthday.
Oh, mashallah, mashallah. You have very, very, very happy birthday, and may you live long, and may you have all your desires fulfilled. Stay happy, stay blessed. And what is date today? 29th?
29th April.
29th April. Okay, good. Okay, mashallah. Okay, guys, you can leave the meeting, right? Prepare for the exams. Don't waste your holidays, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, love you all. Allah Hafiz.
Love you, teacher.
Allah Hafiz.
Love you, teacher.
Allah Hafiz.
Love you, teacher.
Allah Hafiz.